So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to share your referral code with people here on the BTCC app. So once the app's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom left and select the home page. Once you're here, a couple different ways you can do it. This middle bar right here where it says like deposit, buy crypto, etc. Scroll to where it says referral, select it. It'll then bring it to this page right here. And if you want to share your referral code, for me, your referral code's right here. You can either just send that to someone or you can copy it by pressing the squares right there, copy the link successfully, send that to people, and they can submit the referral code. That way, if this doesn't appear, you can go back to the home screen, go to the top left, select the three horizontal lines. Once you're on the support tools page, you can select refer a friend. And then you can go ahead and you're once again on this page where it says referral code. You can then select it, copy it, share it with people, and you can proceed that way. So that is how to share your referral code with people here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.